Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. This is going to be a small grocery haul from Hannaford, and then there will be a larger grocery haul after this. I actually wasn't even planning to film this. I only planned to get a couple things, but I got more than a couple things, so I thought I would just share them and throw them in this week's haul. Again, Hannaford, everything here was like 50 bucks, I believe. So a few of the things in this haul are for my mom. I'll explain in a second. So first off, I got these, was not planned. I honestly went in to get spring mix and eggs, but you know how that happens. Anyways, I'm always looking for quick, easy, like minute things I can give my husband for breakfast in the morning before work, because if I don't stay on top of it, he will go to work with nothing in his stomach except coffee. So every morning I get up, I start his coffee, obviously make my own coffee. I have a shake, so I don't really eat breakfast. I do my 310 shakes. But my husband will not even eat breakfast if I don't put something in front of him. That's just the way he is. So I'm always looking for quick things. Usually it's stuff like a bowl of cereal, some toast, a bagel, a breakfast sandwich. So I saw these. You can actually put them right into your toaster, which is definitely appealing because I don't have time to like preheat an oven and all that in the morning. So this is the Eggo Thick and Fluffy Blueberry French Toast. I don't know where it is in the box where it says you can, here it is. It says you can put it right in the toaster, so I'm gonna go ahead and try these out and just, you know, put 2 slices in the toaster, a little bit of butter, maple syrup, and it'll hopefully be quick and easy and he'll like them. So I'll let you know how those are. I saw this, this is the Holiday Peppermint Seltzer Water. I got this for my mother. She's actually coming for dinner tonight. It's very impromptu. She actually has a doctor's appointment after work, so she's going to come over after dinner. So she really likes seltzer and she likes mint, so I thought this would be something nice for her to try. It was only 69 cents, so hopefully that's good. Spring mix is what I needed because I want to do a salad tonight for something on the side for dinner. This is actually on sale. It's the Hannaford brand 50/50 mix, fresh greens, and it was $1.99. I got this Hillshire Farm snacking small plate little thing for my husband. So it's salami, almonds, and sharp cheddar cheese. My husband needed cheese sticks because he doesn't wear all out, so I got these Cracker Barrel extra sharp cheese sticks. Another thing my mom requested was some olives from the Olive Bar. They have like an actual make your own olive salad bar thing. So she just said to get a variety. So I got fresh mozzarella, stuffed olives, mushrooms, stuffed peppers. These olives are stuffed with blue cheese. This one is stuffed with some kind of cheese. There are marinated, like pickled little pearl onions. Just a mishmash of things. Artichokes, because she likes to put a little spoonful of this like on her salad, so I grabbed that. She also asked if I could pick up some Noosa yogurts. So I got her, she just wanted a few, so I got her a blueberry, a mixed berry, and a raspberry blueberry. This one is a combo, which is kind of cool. So I grabbed those 3 for her again. She just said, like, I think she just said to get a couple of them. So I'll give those to her as well. Now, next to the Noosa yogurts, I saw these Icelandic Provision yogurts. I have never noticed them before. I think I've like seen the packaging, but I've never like taken a look. So I'm gonna try these. I'm always on the hunt for like a good yogurt every once in a while. My husband does like yogurt as well. So these are whole milk based and they are low in sugar and high in protein. So I got the cherry blackcurrant, the peach cloudberry, and the mixed berry. So I'll probably try one. I'll probably try the peach one, and then I'll give my husband the other 2 in lunches. I got about 1.5 pounds of Welch's green grapes. They're nice and crisp. I actually needed half and half, which is one of the 3 things I went in for because I'm making quiche and salad for dinner when my mother comes. Eggs, obviously, for the quiche. And then the last thing my mother requested are these Cedars stuffed grape leaves. I know, very random, but she specifically asked for these. And again, I don't know if I said this, but the only reason she asked is because I happened to be on the phone with her while I was at Hannaford. My mom is perfectly capable of going to the grocery store by herself, but I was already at Hannaford and she said, by the way, can you grab me X, Y, and Z? So, of course, I didn't mind. And these she likes to, I think, like have for lunch. I think she likes to have it like on her salad. I don't know, but she asked for these. Couple bananas for a couple smoothies for the rest of the week. And then lastly, something I didn't plan to get was this beer. I actually got this for my dad for, I guess, Christmas. It's more just like a here you go type of thing. It is the Stella Artois Midnight Lager, which I have never seen. My dad likes the normal Stella, but I don't think he's ever tried or even heard of this. I had never seen it. I don't know if it's just for the holiday, but this is something that I'll just kind of take over to my parents when we go for Christmas Eve. Again, like a here you go dad kind of thing. Not really a gift, but my dad's big into like different beers, so is my husband, so I'm always on the hunt for different beers. Anyways, this is my $50 little Hannaford haul, and I'll share with you now my bigger meal plan for the week. Hey guys, back with another smaller haul. This is from Price Chopper, which is now Market 32, which is just like a different name for, I guess it's just owned by Price Chopper. But I just had to pick up a few things. This is a really crazy, oddly busy week. Week before Christmas, I've got a holiday party one night. We're having a family party for my husband, his birthday. It's just a really crazy week. So I didn't need a lot of groceries because we ordered a Home Chef box this week, so that's going to take care of some of the dinners, plus a couple nights, like I mentioned, holiday party, my husband's birthday party. It's just we don't really need a lot of food this week for dinner, so it's just kind of filler things. So I grabbed the Price Chopper white cranberry strawberry juice, which we all love, some carrots and celery, which we need. I'm gonna make like a veggie platter for my husband's like birthday party for one of the appetizers. And obviously I need carrots and celery. I got a head of iceberg for BLTs. I got some olives and marinated peppers and stuffed olives, about a pound of that from the olive bar, for part of my meat and cheese board that I'm going to do for my husband's birthday party. Some yogurt pouches for my son. This is the Price Chopper Dakota bread. It's like a very slightly sweet, like honey flavored kind of. I think it has honey in it. Multi-grain bread, which I'm going to use for BLTs, and obviously we can use it for sandwiches and toast and things like that. Some roast beef for my husband's sandwiches for the next couple days. Some Swiss cheese for his roast beef sandwiches. Some of these on the vine tomatoes for part of that olive meat and cheese and cracker platter I'm going to make. And then these just looked really good. They are like very rustic blueberry muffins. They were just putting them out at the bakery, so I grabbed these. I thought they'd be good for breakfast or just to grab on the go since it's a crazy week. So not a whole lot of groceries going on this week, but I'm going to share my meal plan for next week, which is the week of Christmas. I forgot a whole bag. I forgot to show you guys this bag. It was in the mudroom, also from Market 32 / Price Chopper. All of this stuff here, for the most part, except these, are for my husband's party and Christmas Eve. Whatever's left I use for Christmas Eve. So I'm doing like a small scale cheese, cracker, and meat board for my husband's birthday party, and again whatever's left for Christmas Eve. So I got these bruschetta garlic and parsley toasts. I got these Stonefire non-cheddar cheese crisps. These are really good. The scoops are for his party too, but not for the meat and cheese board. My sister's gonna make homemade salsa, so I just wanted to get the scoops. I got some Columbus Italian dry salami. I'll probably use half for my husband's party and the other half for Christmas Eve. I also got this pepper jack Cabot cheese for the, again, half for my husband's party, half for Christmas Eve. Same with this one. This is the mango fire cheddar. It's cheddar cheese with habaneros, peppers, and mango flavor. I don't know, I just thought it looked really interesting. You can see the bits of mango in there. I think my brother is really gonna like this, so it'd be nice to get a couple boards out of this. And then also I saw these and I picked them up for my husband to pack for his lunches next week. They are the Applegate brand Naturals charcuterie plates. So in each container there is salami, uncured, medium cheddar cheese, roasted salted almonds, and dark chocolate chunks. And there are 2 of them. I thought they'd be nice to throw in along with like a sandwich or a salad, just for something a little bit different. So that is the bag that I forgot. And now I'm going to share my meal plan for the week of Christmas. So Sunday the 22nd through Saturday the 28th. Sunday is football day. We actually have some friends from out of town that are going to be in town, coming into town on Sunday because their families live here and they're coming home for the holidays. So if it works out time-wise, they're going to come, I think, Sunday evening. So I'm going to do like football food, munchies. I don't know what yet. I'm probably going to have to go to the market again and buy stuff if they end up coming. Monday, we're doing a Home Chef meal from our Home Chef box. We're doing the turkey burrito skillet. Let me see if I can get a picture of it for you. This video is not sponsored. I'm just wanting to show you really quick. So this is what the turkey burrito skillet looks like with ground turkey. So that's going to be Monday. Tuesday is Christmas Eve. My mom and dad make a huge spread for Christmas Eve. If you saw my What's for Dinner video last year for Christmas Eve, you saw some of the items. I will get clips again this year and include it in a new dinner video for this year. So we're going to go there Tuesday for Christmas Eve dinner. Wednesday, Christmas Day, we go to my in-laws' house, and my mother-in-law is making baked stuffed shrimp, which is delicious, and with it she's making potatoes, rice, and some kind of veggie. Thursday the 26th, the day after Christmas, I'm doing another Home Chef meal. We are going to do the sweet and sour pork meatballs, which will be nice to have that because Thursday we have a bunch of running around to do. And then Friday, Grady is spending the night at my parents' house. So so my husband and I are going to try and go out with friends. Again, the friends that are in town, that are coming into town Sunday, they'll be here for the whole week. So we're going to try and go out with them as long as the weather cooperates. Saturday the 28th, I'm going to make the Olive Garden copycat zuppa toscana in the crock pot with salad and bread. And then this is just some random reminders. This is actually perforated, so I have to tear this off. And just some random reminders for the week of Christmas break, some different appointments that my son has and different kind of reminders. I did sort of a brain dump right here to remind myself of all the things I need to do. I'm actually off for my son's Christmas break, so almost 2 weeks I'm going to be off work. I requested it back in August because a lot of my coworkers request Christmas break off, or at least the majority of them. So we are going to be off and going to be with my son for a couple weeks. I'm really excited. But anyways, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. Be safe out there if you're doing last minute Christmas stuff. And I will see you next week with a new video.